So now that you have your story going and you have your product moving in the right direction, how do you keep it on the right track? Because, of course, eventually your project will run into some sort of roadblock. Things will get ugly. There will be conflict. There will be a delay in the project. There'll be some unforeseen hurdle, and people will start blaming each other and getting really ugly. And this brings us to the next rule of improv, which I think is a great rule for life. This could apply to marriage, to working on a team, which is that you look good if you make your partner look good. And I think that as a product manager, and also as a manager of product managers, really setting people up for success is one of the most important things that you can possibly do. So let's talk about what this rule means. If you want to make a great scene in improv comedy, you really want to be part of a funny scene, right? You don't just want to be like, wow, that was a terrible, terrible SNL sketch, but that one lady was so funny, right? That's not going to work. No one ever says that. They're just like, that scene sucked. Or that was so hilarious. Everyone in it was great. So what you want to do is you want to focus on how to make your partner look good. So if I get on stage and I'm just singing and dancing and drawing all the attention to myself, it's entertaining for about 5 seconds, and then it just gets boring really fast. And in product management world, that can take a lot of different forms. That can look like, hogging all the time in the meeting to speak. That can look like creating an environment where nobody else wants to participate, where the smartest person in the room doesn't even want to talk. And in improv, it's really only a great scene if you can set up other people by helping them understand what is their role in that scene, what is the goal that they're moving towards. And so what you want to do is figure out, how do you set up each person on your team to succeed, and how do you help them know what their role is to contribute to that team's success? Okay, click. All right, so in improv, we talk about offering gifts. If I tell you where we are, that is a gift to you. It helps you move your scene forward. Similarly, if you're a product manager and you help people understand this is the goal for the project, this is the customer we're trying to target, we're not talking about that customer, it's really this one, you can do this. And in improv world, this might look like setting up a joke so that your partner gets the punchline, right? Sometimes you see that joke coming and you want to set it up for them too. And, how do you do this with a team? You want to struggle, you don't want to have those struggles of who's trying to take credit. You want everyone to just think about, this is how the project should be successful, and these are all the roles that we need to do. Okay, so we've had a quick talk about, how do I think big?